Tired of your Twilio integrations failing because you can't find those crucial API credentials? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, navigate to Twilio.com and log into your existing account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up for a free trial to access the console. The URL is Twilio.com as seen on screen. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Twilio console dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Look for the section labeled Account Info or a similar title, usually located on the main dashboard page, might be near the top or on the left-hand side navigation. Within the Account Info section, you'll find your account SID. This is a unique identifier for your Twilio account. Carefully copy this SID, as you will need it to authenticate your API requests. Keep in mind that you may need to click the eye icon to reveal your account SID. Right below or next to your account SID, you'll find your Auth token. This is like the password to your Twilio account. Treat it with the same care as you would any sensitive password. Again, you might need to click the eye icon to reveal your Auth token. Copy your Auth token and store both the account SID and Auth token in a secure location. Never share these credentials publicly, especially not in your code repositories or online forums. And that's it. You now have your Twilio API credentials ready to power your projects. Remember to keep them safe and use them wisely to build amazing things with Twilio.